What's good? What's good? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Martin are here on this Tuesday evening Halloween October the 31st ride in Long Beach. It's a boy group led by Joey. He's like a new event leader, and me and Martin had nothing to do in Halloween, so we're here. Bunch of e-moto guys. I'm on my Super73 72 volt gray RX, and I'm the only one actually in costume with my Batman onesie once again. This is hilarious. Alright, new group. Let's see how this night turns out, because I have a feeling it's going to be a lot of street riding. Let's get it. I have no idea where the route is, so we'll see. New experiences for this Halloween night. Pine Avenue. We're at the Pike outlet, pretty much. Let's see where these guys go. Maybe the lighthouse. Yeah. Restaurants. Oh, guys, please don't go on the boardwalk. This is so not. I guess we're going on the boardwalk. There we go. I'm just gonna pedal. Man, these guys are going fast on the boardwalk. Guys, this is not a good look. Alright, at some point I should catch up. Take a shortcut. Yeah, they're going pretty fast, and they're going on the lighthouse first and foremost. They're already up there. I'm just chilling. I don't see the need to go fast on a boardwalk, guys. Why? And they took the shortcut, but I'm gonna take the long way. Looks like 1 minute. Alright, I heard the next stop is a pier. Go time. And they're using the grass. And I think some motorbikers are gonna try to follow us. Hopefully not. To the pier, I hear. Stupid. I notice when I'm vlogging, I'm almost always rhyming without trying, which is weird. A poet that doesn't even know it. If you know what I mean, jelly bean. This is a different route. Are we going on the sand? Here I've never been, so this is somewhat cool. What's going on here? This is cool. It's like a waterfall. I've never seen this up close. So far it's been like a fast ride, but lots of 15-minute breaks so far. You put an Onyx battery on that thing?
Yeah.
How fast does it go now?
So I did I moved the settings on the controller, but before it was giving me 63.
63, wow.
It's just giving me 54.
Oh, see, okay. Well, and is it the stock motor?
No.
Oh, okay, different.
72 3000 watt.
Cool.
With the Kelly controller and the
Kelly.
72 volt 23 battery.
Nice, man.
Onyx, so yeah.
Oh, you do? Oh, nice. So you know what you're doing. Alrighty. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alrighty. Alrighty, you're out, huh?
Yeah, man. I'm going at 2 in the morning.
Oh, you got it. So about 15, 16 of us. And I'm sweeping the group. This guy said he works for Onyx. Put a 72 volt battery on that Indian motor mini bike. And he's out of here. Another reason I was actually down here in Long Beach was I almost bought another electric mountain bike today. It was like an Alibaba frame EMTB, but it had Fox 36 suspensions and really good Fox mid suspensions too. And it was only for $1,500 bucks. So I would have bought it, but he listed it as having the M600 motor when he really didn't. So that's what I was bummed about. It was actually the M500 250 watt motor. That looks like really squishy suspensions, man. Did you change it?
I was testing it the opposite, so.
Oh, cool.
Stiffness.
Did you upgrade your battery?
I did get a second battery.
Oh, second one.
Yeah. There's the stock one.
How you liking it?
It's my first e-bike, so far I can't really compare it with, but
that's a good choice. That's a good choice, the Rev one?
Yeah.
Because it's nice and low.
Especially where I live in Fullerton, so I got a lot of carrots, so this helps a little bit, even though they still tell me to get off the trail.
Yeah. They'll tell you they'll tell you anything, really. That's what Karens are, right? I like your lights, man. Sick. I think I seen you in Halloween, the other Halloween ride. So the guy with the Rev 1 up with purple lights, his name's Kevin. So shout out to him. Talked a little bit about e-bikes. He made a great choice as that's his first e-bike, the full suspension Rev 1 up.
One more for escape room.
Your taillights aren't on. That's alright, just go. This is very similar to the cruise ride, by the way, by Kong. Roundabout and over a bridge. Where are we heading, guys? Oh, I think this is the mall. Oh. There we go. I want to check if Naples have those holiday lights already, but I doubt it. now heading north towards inland. I haven't seen Martin pedal once today. And he's on a mountain bike. Here we go. Ooh, and then what, guys? Oh, we're in the dam now. We're in the wash. I think I've been here once. Get some foolery. Get some ramp actions. Damn. I wish I brought my mountain bike. Alright, Joey. What are we doing here? Where are we headed? How clean are these waters? Oh. Was it a goat head? Hey, someone's got fireworks. Right there. It's on the floor. It's on the floor, Martin.
I only see people taking a piss.
Alright, you got everything you need?
Yeah.
You have not pedaled once at all today.
Hell no. You're crazy.
You know?
That's only his mountain bike tail. My other bike.
No, I get it. Because all you do is pedal on the other bike, so I get it.
I gotta take a picture.
Boom, fireworks. That was loud. I told him if he ever wants to dip and go home, just let me know, because it is rather late already. Oh my gosh, I should have taken the street. Why am I following these guys? I'm the only Super 73 today, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure we're going uphill. Oh, and we're going up the giant hill too. Brace yourself. This is a steep hill. We normally go downhill here, but I guess we're attacking it uphill. Alright, it's going to be a good test. 74 volts, 3, 2, 1, max throttle. Let's get it. Well, not max throttle, but I'm at 60% throttle. Oh, this is steep. Holy steepness. This guy's doing wheelies on the Talaria. That was nice. Rev 1 up was pedaling. Pedaling is hard out, but that makes sense. That was a regular bike. And we're up Signal Hill. I'm at 73 volts from that hill. Easy peasy. How's your battery? Alright, break time. Thank you. What is it that we're violating?
10 to 5. We park correctly.
Oh, the park is close 10 to 5.
Yes.
Cool, thank you. So that's everyone, not just us. So it's not because we're on e-bikes and stuff like that. We're like 5 miles away from the meetup spot. I mean, these guys are still going. We're just kind of backtracking a little bit. Yeah, I have my map on. Alright.
Going back to CBS?
I am, yeah.
I'll follow you guys.
Alright.
I'll see you next one.
Yeah.
I'm going with you guys. You going to CBS?
Yeah.
You know the way, right?
I have my map on.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Damn, Martin. Look at you wide ass handlebar. Alright, straight.
Right?
That's what my map says. Yeah. 3.6 miles. Looks like I'm leading a little bit of a group to go back to CVS. Because most of the guys split already.
Stop right behind us.
We're okay though, right? I mean, just ghost pedal. If there's a cop behind us, there's a cop behind us. But we're just riding. I know on street illegal. Got the Rev 1 here, got a Surron, and got Martin on his bafang BBSO2. We'll be alright. Your battery's good? Yeah. Okay. Alright, we're here. Alright, home sweet home. Somewhat of a fast ride, somewhat of a new host, so it's all good. That's going to be in today's Halloween adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the links in the description below for discounts on a Super73 aerial rider or a DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.